Welcome to Design Collection. How to use Business Directory Scraper. First, select the country you want to scrape the business directory for. After selecting the country, you can enter multiple directory website URLs. Next, open your browser, like Chrome, and search for Yellow Pages or any other business directory. Click on the first result that appears, search for your desired category, like plumber, doctor, etc., and press enter. Once the results are displayed, copy the URL from the address bar. Paste the copied URL into the provided text area on the scraper tool. You can do this for multiple URLs, pasting each one into the same text area. Now, click on the search button to start the scraping process. Once the process is complete, the extracted data will be displayed in a tabular format. You can then review the results and download them for your use. Thank you for watching.